Yes. Previously, we were seeing the rectangle. We will be loops, right? So we are in the loops. That is the nested loops. So the nested loops, what we have to done, that will be continuation in this class. Second. So actually, I'm going to uh, uh, tell you now. We are going to see a loop inside a loop that we call it as a nested loop, right? In this nested loop, if we have to print any pattern, whether it may be a C, C++, Java, you have to follow the pattern. So in this pattern, you have to follow the nested loops. Am I right? So without nested loops, it's highly impossible to generate the required patterns. So these patterns are very important. So if you want to work with a large set of data, then you definitely go with this logic. So here I want to print like a 3 into 7 pattern. So pattern like a rectangle. Then what is the logic we are going to use? That we will see in this class. Now we will see here. I will declare like I equal to 1. So this is a declaration of the variable. This is a initialization as well as a declaration. Both it will be comes under a single line. Okay, then coming to here, I have to choose while I less than or equal to 3. Then this is for what purpose we are declaring here. This is for outer loop for rows purpose. To print the rows, we are going to use this line. Suppose if I want to declare j equal to 1, this is for inside loop. So inside while loop, then I less than or equal to 7. So which means this outer loops will iterate 3 times. This inner loop, here it will comes j, right? So j less than or equal to 7. So that means up to 7 it will be considered here. Here up to 3. So outer loop will be iterate 3 times. Inner loop will be iterate 7 times. This is for inner loop. Inner loop. Inner loop for columns. Okay, now we are declared 2 loops. One is outer loop, another one is inner loop. So then inner loop, I'm going to increment. So increment j equal to j plus 1. Okay. So then here what I have to do here, then so before that I have to print. So what we need to print here? Okay, suppose I need to print like a star. Okay, it will be iterate up to 7, it will be print inner loop. So this outer loop will be print only 1. This inner loop will be print 7 stars. That means suppose this first row, what happened here? First row, so it will print 7 like this. The next row, it will print like this. Okay, how many it will print? So it will print like this is the first row. Okay, this is the first row. This is the first row. This is the second row. In this first row, This is the outer loop. It will go here. Then coming here. So you can observe here clearly. This is. So here you can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So outer loop execute one time. Okay. This is the first row. So this is a row belongs to the I lesser than or equal to 3. Then it will be increment. And what happened? So here we have to write increment also. Here we can write increment also. I equal to. So where it will comes exactly. So outer side, right? It will belongs to outer side, right? So you have to specify here. I equal to I plus 1. Okay. So this one belongs to this one. This is for inner loop. This is for outer loop. Okay. Clearly observe here. What happened? First, it will take the first row. This is the first row. This is the second row. This is the third row. Got it? So three rows. 1, 2, 3 rows. So in the three rows, each and every time what it will be print, it will print star 7 times. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then second row, what happened? It will be increased I increment to 2. Then 2 lesser than 3. So it will go inside and will bring to the next row. Then in this next row, what happened? It will print I star 7 times. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Again, it will increment I loop. Then it will become 3 lesser than or equal to 3. So one condition true. So it will comes to here and print third loop, third row as star 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So this is what we are trying to print in this exactly. This is the exactly what it's going in the program. Okay, got it? So now here what I have to do, this will be done here right inside. So I have to print here. So start. So then comma, I'm trying to print this one. What happened? You check it here. Star will comes as a column wise only. So I will try to bring this one as a horizontal line. So for that, I have to take a end. So end method. Then here I have to specify all these things. What I want to make it like make a string type. Then what happened? It will be so it will take print all the values in the same line. So end equal to. So empty string I have to pass. Now check it here. What happened? What I am going to expect that will be appear. Here what happened? This one comes for after iteration. You can check it here. Here what it get a minute. Here j less than 3, j is equal to 1, j1 less j equal to j plus 1. No, it won't get here. This is the correct one only, but where is the error? This one comes outside of the loop. Then try to run this one. Then here get print star comma end equal to empty. This is the correct one only.
End spelling, sir. END.
Sorry. So now I'm trying to run this one. Now you check it here. So here what happened here? It will be try to print like a horizontal. Okay. But this is what we are not expecting, right? But we want to display like a 3 rows each row star will print 7 times, right? This is what. So the first row, so print inner loop 7 times. So for that, to move the cursor to next line, so I have to print like a print empty. When you have to print empty, so try to run this one. What happened? You can get it exactly what you are. So the cursor point will move to the next line when you're trying to use this printf. Okay. So this is what we are going to see. You have any doubt in this?
No, sir. It's clear.
Okay. Now we will see a few programs in this pattern. Then we will move into the data structures. That is a much more important as well as very, very interesting topic. That is a core concept in the Python that we will see. Okay. Now you can
Plus one, two plus one, two plus one, two plus one.
now we are going to see to print the right angle. How right angle will be like this. Okay, star and first row star will be print and second row 2 stars will print, then third row print like 3 stars, then 4 stars. So this is a right angle, right? It looks like a right angle. Okay, see this straight line. It looks like a right angle. This is what we are going to print now. So for this one, what I have to do, 1 second. Now I will be take like a n value before I declared n equal to 4. Okay. So then we are coming to here for I in range. Okay. Then what I have to take here, I have to take 1, comma. So then n plus 1. So what happened here? Why I have to specify like a n plus 1? Because I have to declare 4. So I'm trying to print 4 rows, 4 columns. Okay. So then it will be when I pass this one, I need to catch like I want to print like a 4 values. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 values. So when I want to print like a 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. So if I want to print like this, okay. So I have to give like a 5, right? When I have specified like a 5, it will take, as we discussed in our early sessions, this is starting point, this is ending point. So ending point always will be excluded. It's not included, right? So excluded means, so it will be removed, right? So that's why I have to give here n plus 1. So n plus 1. What happened now? Exactly it will take 4 values. Okay, this is what you have to understand, right? This is a type 2 actually. Then I have to mention here for loop. Then so there is a this one also nested loop only we are following here. For j in range. For j in range, I have to consider like a I have to pass. Why I have to pass the I? Because this is for the rows purpose, right? This is for rows. So this is for this for column purpose. So this is for rows purpose, this is column purpose. What I am why I am trying to use same, that means here I is nothing but j. Okay, whatever I value will collect from the collections, the same value I have to pass it here. Okay, that means 4 values only I am going to take here. See, print, this is much more easier, right? So now you can see here, and then just use star and comma end equal to empty. So then, so now what we do, we come out for the inner loop, and then so you have to come here directly here. What happened? So the line you have mentioned here, so that means it will come out of the for loop. That means it is belongs to the outer loop. So yeah, when you specify like a print like this, which this is not belongs to the this for loop. This is totally belongs to the outer for loop. That you have to remember. This is much more easier. Now I'm trying to run this one. You can check it. You get exactly what first row. First row will print. Initially it will start with 1, so it will take as a star, then it will repeat, and then 2 automatically it will be an increment. We don't want to specify here like I equal to I plus 1, not like that. Why? Because it will be done by itself. So this is a much more easier than compared to our traditional programming language while loop. This is a much more easy, right? So now what happened? Then second time it will be increment 2, then so I will be increment 2, then it will be second row move, then print 2 times. Then it will move to the third row and print 3 times, and move to the fourth row and move to the print to the 4 times. See how 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 rows, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So see, this is a this is a very simple, right? And compared to others. Uh, are you understand this one? Is there any, you need any clarification on this? Is this good for, is this understand for you?
Yes,
Vamsi,
sir. It's
Vamsi, you have any doubt
Yes.
in this?
Yes, sir.
Uh, what is
I have one doubt, sir. Like, and end use చేస్తాం sir. Like, end
so
equal to
okay,
double
if
quotes
you
use చేస్తారు కదా.
suppose if I want to remove this one, okay, now I have saved this one, okay, now I have run this one. What happened? It will get like a single line. Okay, if I have removed this one also. One second. If you have removed this one, so see, you get, but it will print, but like a, how it will print, like a column wise it will print. So to make it as a single line, I want to use this end. Okay, can you save this one and run this one? It will come like what we expected. Suppose if you have doubt why we have to use this one, if you remove this one and save and then run this one, see, the cursor will be moved to the next line. We will be use this print Now you can run this one. You will get exactly. This is for what happened. So you have to use this one. After end of this line, to move to the next line, we will be using this. This one, what happened endl will be make it as print the stars in the single line. Okay, it will print the stars single line. Single line print. Okay. So those lines each and every time cursor, suppose first line, if it will be print like this, suppose like a star, first row. Then second row, it will increment and print two stars, right? Two stars. So how it will comes here? Due to this one. Okay. So
Okay,
now
sir.
remove this one.
Sir,
Then,
if space
sorry. Yeah. Tell me.
ఇప్పుడు రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ కదా సార్, లైక్ స్పైసెస్ కావాలంటే సార్ మిడిల్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టార్స్.
Yeah, that you see everything pattern will be same logic only. The thing is, whenever you required, you have to just change it and then try it. Okay. If you want to put here like a suppose a T, then you can try it. Then what happen? Whatever you put, it will appear like this. So this is look like a same. I want to print. If interviewer asks, I want to print like a one in the same repetition like a rectangle type. See, print like this. So logic is everything is same only, but whenever we want, you can use like that. So if suppose if you don't want this one, so you have to, I want to take like a int input. Okay, then you have to method. Here you can ask enter the number. Okay, this is we are not specified here, so we have to pick up randomly. Okay, then you try to run this one. You can give here 1 star. So now we will change this code. Then you can run this one like this. If you want to print like a 10, okay, you can give, then it will become like stars like this. Okay, what I changed here, just I have to take from the randomly. So it's asking from the user to enter the input. That will be that whatever user enter the input, it is a basically it is a string type will be input always taking from the user string type only. String type is nothing but double quotation mentioned. So that one we will convert into integer, that will be stored here. Those values will be printed here. Now I will enter the 10, right? How many rows it will be print? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 it will take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each and every time what happened? First it will start with, I have tell that 1. Suppose if I have to change it here, I want to print like a 5 from 5. That means, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here it will display. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So start with 5. 5, it will be take. Okay. Okay, you can give it like a 10 again, then enter like this. Then you can check it here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? As I told you, right, just now. So it will start from here. So whatever it may be, the logic based on our requirement, we will be changed. Are you understand now?
Yes.
Uh, So you have to practice more like a patterns. Obviously, you will get what I'm. So you get logical thinking. Otherwise, you didn't get, because if you really thorough with these type of small logics, definitely it will be useful in the real time. So now I'm trying to print. So we will do some more programs, or else we will move like this.
Sir, reverse order question. करिए.
Okay, okay. Now what I'm going to do here, like a 1 I have to give and enter. So if I have to give 10 and then enter, then it will be print like this, right? So now I want to print like a reverse, right? So what to do
Yes,
now?
sir.
So same thing only, but you have to mention here. Suppose start with, like a start with reverse means 10, right? I am going to start with 10. So here 10, right? 10. So I have to mention here 0. So I need to print start with 10 and then coming here, I have to give here 0 I have to mention. Why I have to mention 0? Because of when you have to mention 0, this is much stopping point. So when the stop 0 means before 1 it will stop. That we clearly discussed in the previous sessions. Okay, it 0 means it won't get the 0. So it will be stopping point. Suppose if I have to give 1 means what happened? It will stop 2. Before the value it will stop. So I have to mention 0 and coming here, what I have to mention, each and every time decrease by 1, minus 1. Okay. Now what happened? First it will take 10, then this one, then this one. It will print like this. Okay, got it? So if you try this one, what you get exactly, you will check it here. So I have to give 10 and then enter. See, check it here. So what happened here? So I am telling here to start 10. That means the loop itself start with, outer loop start with 10, inner loop start with same value only it will take, right? So inner loop what happened? 10 starts it will print. Then next time it will decrease by minus 1. Minus 1 means 9 stars. Okay, then next time 8 stars. Then next time 7 stars. Then 6 stars. Then 5 stars. Then 4 stars. If you clearly observe here, 4 stars, 3 stars, 2 stars, 1 star. But it won't be print 0. Okay, that you have to remember here. If you have to specify like a 2, so what happened? So before 2 means decreasing item before 2 means what you will get? 3 it will get. Now you check it here. It will stop here 3. You got it? I have mentioned here 2, but why it will be stop 3? So because of 2 is there before it will take. I will clearly explain this all these fundamental things in our beginning. The 11th, 8th, 9th, 10th. If you have any doubt, then go there and check it. Maybe you are not attended. I don't know. So you can now you can understand, right?
Yes, I am not attended
Uh,
yesterday classes. Yeah.
yeah. Now this is the type 3 actually. Okay, type 1 means so it will be automatically in slice. Okay, suppose I have give for I in range. Okay, I have mentioned just like a, if I give 10, see, this is a type 1. Okay, then try to print here, print. So I just want to run this one. Now you can check it here. So what happened? It will change 0, 9. It will print. Why it won't go to print 10? Because of this is type 1. This is a collection of values. Okay, this is a collection of values, but 10 values is there. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is totally 10 values. Okay, this is a type 1. Got it? So type 2, I just want to quick recap. Like I have mentioned 4. Then I ask to print like start the value 4 and end the value 10. 10 in the sense of 9 it will be print. Okay, now I am trying to run this one. You can check it here. What happened? It will be starting point will be specified by the programmer and ending point will be automatically it will be detect from the end value. 10 minus 1, then 9 it will become. Okay, got it? This is what, this is the type 2. If I want to specify, if I want to specify like a increment by like a 3. Okay, this is a increment. Now what happened? 4 plus 3, what happened? 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10. So it won't, it will stop 7 only. 9 it won't, 9 it won't reach. Now you can check it here. See, so why it will be do like this? Because this is a very basic fundamentals you should have to know. Without these basic fundamentals, we can't do anything. See, 4, the increment by 3. 4 plus 3. So first start with 4, then 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 7 plus 3, what happened? 10 it will be reached. Okay, it won't be display 10. Always stop with before value. This is stop before roll. That means 7 it will be stop. If you have to specify like a 2, what happened? You can try to run this one. See, 4 plus 2 6, 4 it will be initially, 4 plus 2 6 it will be print, then 6 plus 2 8 it will be print. It won't print 8 plus 2 10. You got it my point? So this is what we will be discussed
Yes.
clearly in the previous classes. Okay, you just want to go with the previous videos and then you have to practice many programs. Definitely you will get it. Okay, now I want to print okay, number a triangle. Okay, we have no time, only 5 minutes. I am trying to print this one. Number triangle. So here I have to specify before that 4. This is the initialization. Then for I in range. So I in range, I have to just pass for I in range 1, start with 1 and n plus 1. So n plus 1, what happened? It will be considered 5. So why I should have to take 5? Because I want to print include the 4. So that's purpose. I have to add plus 1. So if I give 5 means what happened? Start with 1 means this is exactly 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? So 5. But when I'm trying to print, it will consider this one. So for that one, I want to include this 4 to print. So I have to add this one. So why it will remove means basically this logic will be considered like that only. By default, it will take like that. If you say 10, the for loop stop value, what it say? I will give 9 only. That means I will give 10, but you can count like a 0. Through 0, you can count. By default, it will take. If you have specified one, it will consider it from here. Then here, for j in range, so for j in range 1, comma, I plus 1. So whatever I have to specify here, 4, I want to get 4 values only. So that means 4 plus 1, 5. Same logic. Here what I have to specify? That one only get 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. It will take 5. Got it? So 5 means it will print from 4 values. So that condition will be satisfied here. So for that I have to mention like this. Now here, then that means I values is same like j values. Whatever I values print here, same values apply to the inner loop also. That is the rule here. Then coming here, so now I am trying to print like a print. Here what I have to give, I have to print J, okay, then comma, end, so equal to empty string. Then, so now what happened, it will print all 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 as a single line. Try to print this one, you will get more idea. Now you can check it here, all 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. But when I'm trying to print, same logic here, see, observe. Here just you have to print, come out of the inner loop, then you just have to print this one. What happened? It will print like this. This is the number triangle, right? 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can understand, right? This in this, you have any doubts? So tomorrow we will see for the data structures. Okay, that's the most important thing, that too it's a core concept. So meanwhile, we have to go with so any website, then check with Python patterns. You can type Python patterns. Okay, then you will get all the things. I mean, you get more logics. So tutorial tonight website is there. You can go there and then check it. Okay, if you want more programs, tutorial tonight. We will check it here also. So here you can check it, tutorial tonight.